Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
If you feel unwell or if you feel something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because Malaysia is same time here in the Philippines and near here in the Philippines.
Can you help me introduce yourself?
I'm Mary Joy Dagok, 38 years old. I am the eldest of two siblings. My mother is Susan Dagok, and my father is Fernando Dagok. My father,
Proceed.
sorry po.
It's okay. So please go on.
My father passed away last 4 years ago. Then my mother is, I'm with my mother and my brother is separate from us because he's working in the Pasig City.
Okay, so I
I,
need to know some few more details from you first, ate. Ha? How old are you again?
yes ma'am, sorry.
How old are you again?
I'm 38 years old po.
Are you single or married?
Single.
Do you have children?
I have one children,
What? How old?
22 years old.
Do you have boyfriend right now or what? You are a
No.
single mother.
Yes,
When is your birthday?
April 3, 1987.
What is your height and your weight?
5'3", 65 kilos.
What is your religion?
Catholic.
What about your educational background?
I'm college level,
In what
undergraduate.
course?
Bachelor of Science in Information Technology.
So why now come to work as a domestic helper?
Because I'm lack of experience.
Okay, so being a domestic helper is a very tough job. We're not playing here, okay? You
Yes,
cannot simply say you wanted to go back home if you cannot handle your job anymore. I would like to let you know the reality of working here. Houses here is quite big and employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. So are you
yes,
ready?
yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a 2 years contract, you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your child or you just don't want to because you are homesick. No such a thing. Once you breach your contract, you know that there will be a consequences which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So who will going to take care of your kid later once you come to work here in Malaysia? Of course, she is already 22 years old, but still needs someone who look for her or him.
My mother, ma'am.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
55 years old, and he's own she's owner a small sari-sari store.
Okay, so do you have any working experience as a housemaid in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
In which part?
From Quezon City.
How many years you work there?
2 years, ma'am.
Are you a stay-in maid?
Ma'am?
Stay-in maid.
Yes, ma'am.
What year did you started and what year did you finish working there?
Start at September 2020, September 2021 to September 2023.
Okay, what is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in Quezon City?
Cleaning all around, ironing, washing, then taking care of the child.
How old is the child that you take care?
10 years old.
One only.
Yes, ma'am.
After 2023, do you have any working experience?
Last year, ma'am, in the catering.
Catering. In which part of the Philippines?
Cainta Rizal.
How many, 1 year? You work for
Yes,
1 year.
yes, ma'am.
What month and what year?
October 2024, from October 2024 to February 2025. Just,
So 4 months only lah. It's not
yes,
1 year. So
yes, ma'am.
why you told me 1 year?
Sorry.
So 4 months only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so being a domestic helper is you need to be multitasking and you need to be flexible. Are you
Yes,
ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So, as I have mentioned, you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because this is a 2 years contract, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After
Yes,
you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of
yes, ma'am.
course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay inside the employer's house. And if you
Yes,
will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, it's okay. You can come. Don't give us problem. But if you disagree, better stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Being a first timer also, homesickness will frequently attack you. How are you gonna handle it later?
I'm I'm going to focus on my work
Focus
for
to your work.
my children future.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your kid, your family's needs, and you wanted to give a better future for your child at the same time. In
Yes,
Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, okay?
yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you so
Thank you.
much and have a good day.